Okay, I've got my half square triangles ironed and now it's time to trim them. I purposely made these larger than I needed to so that I would have lots of trimming space. We're going for a 3.5 inch unfinished square, which lines up right here. So you can see this guy is much bigger. He's a little more than 4 inches square. So I have plenty of trimming room. The most important thing when trimming these is you want to line up that diagonal line right on your seam line. That will guarantee that when you trim this block, it is a perfect half square triangle. So as you can see, this is not exactly perfect. So I'm just going to start by trimming away these two sides. I like to use my smaller cutter for this job. I just feel like it's more manageable. So I'll just trim away those two sides and make myself a little pile over here. Spin it and then line it up again. And this time I'm going to line it up on the 3.5 inch marks, which is going to take another round of trimming, it looks like, and then just trim again. And that second trim line didn't get good. The camera's a little close. And so there, I now have a nice trimmed, squared out 3.5 inch half square triangle. I'll show you one more time with another triangle. It doesn't matter which fabric's on the top or bottom. You're just gonna be trimming so that you get that nice half square triangle when you're done. And this line right here is really the most important one to line up so that everything finishes where it should be. And we'll go this way. So you'll just continue doing that for the rest of your half square triangles, and then we'll gather again to show you the quarter square triangle method and how we put all this together.